American Red Cross is joining forces with area fire departments, the Scottsbluff Fire Marshal, and the Scottsbluff-Gehring Rotary Club to get smoke alarms installed in as many homes as possible this weekend. This Saturday from 9 until noon, participants from those organizations will install free smoke detectors and provide home fire education to area residents. Those wanting a smoke alarm installed do need to sign up in advance online through the City of Scottsbluff's website's fire department page under fire prevention, a link to which can be found in our story at knb.com. And you can find out more on how to protect your family against home fires by visiting soundthealarm.org.